Bitcoin is approaching $69,000. Baby Doge coin pumped, but it couldn't go and make higher highs. So, what is next for Baby Doge coin? Refinance is at a zone that I think we should place a buy. It is at a zone that I mark, and this zone is pulled back after breaking structure. And I think that maybe if say price hold at this zone, we're gonna see reversal or the next leg to the upside. This bad boy can start making higher high on the 1 hour time frame. No wonder Bitcoin dominance is not stopping, keeps going to the upside, going towards this target that I mentioned the other day. This area where the alpha trend printed a sell signal. And if we look at the liquidation heat map, is in the middle. We don't know if say Bitcoin is gonna go right up to 70K or 71K, or maybe the market makers are gonna come right down here to sweep all of this liquidity around $66,000. Whatever the case is, crypto bubbles is not gonna fail us. The bubbles shows us forecast on what is happening from the top coins, top 100 coins to the top 1,000 coins. And you can see that the coins in green are the ones that are doing well against Bitcoin, and the one in red are the ones that Bitcoin is doing well against. So let's dive into what we got today, my people. You are welcome back again on the Beton's Crypto. I'm your guy, the Beton. I'm happy today to bring you guys this live trading strategies. We are going to talk more on strategies today. Whatever I'm going to say, yeah, don't focus more on the coins that I'm going to talk about. Focus on the thought process behind what I'm saying. Okay? Because this is going to help you to trade any coin out there. If you're new here, you are watching the Beton's Crypto. Yeah, I create content to help anyone out there who want to make it happen. We must make it happen. Yeah, it must happen. If you are one of those people who want to make it happen, then this is the right platform for you. Yeah, we talk about market structure, support and resistance, when to buy, when to take out profit, all this good stuff we talk about here. So make sure you join by subscribing, and also you can be part of our community. The free Telegram group is found below this video. You can also find the link from my link tree. Click on my link tree, and it's gonna take you to the area where you're gonna join my free Telegram group. Now let's dive into this. And I can see you guys are there. Reef, do we do we have two type of baby doge now, and which one it will explore? Okay, I think we had a big show about that a long time ago. I explained to you guys the kind of baby doge coin we have. The contract on Binance is the same as the contract on like sorry, the contract on Binance is a contract which is the same to the contract which is like the normal spot contract. So nothing has changed. If the contract, the 1M is pumping, the normal baby Dogecoin contract is also gonna pump. Oh, now I'm able to speak again. This day was like this, and today like this. Maybe because you're asking me the same questions. But anyways, the contract on the 1M is the same with the other contract. The only difference is this one is divided by 1 million. And that's why you see it is being called 1M, or the ticker is 1M. But it's the same. If 1M is moving, the other baby Dogecoin will move the same way. Okay, it's just that. Now let's dive into this, guys. Keep sharing. If you're watching on YouTube, the least you can do is like, share, with your community. Share on Facebook, share on X, share wherever you want to share. Those of you who are watching on X, retweet this, and so on and so forth. Now let's dive into this. We don't have much time. We're gonna look at Reef Coin. I didn't mention Reef Coin. We're gonna look at Reef Coin, Baby Dogecoin, Bitcoin dominance. So let's dive straight away into this. This chart, I will always talk about like I'll always begin by talking about this chart, like crypto bubble. This is very important. Okay, you can look at the bubbles alone and look at coins that are doing well against Bitcoin. Now, you can either go and start looking for opportunities to buy those coins that are bullish with Bitcoin, or you can go and look for coins that are still in red. Then you look for opportunities there to trade. Okay, and you can do this by going to cryptobubbles.com, and you can change different time frame. You can see that we have top 200, top 300, top 500, right up to top 1000 coins in the crypto space. So you can select there and find good coins to buy. You can see the top 500 are like in green. They are doing so well within the day, and you can change the time frame within the hour, within the week, to see what is happening within the hour. You can see the coins that are doing well against Bitcoin within the hour. You can see the coins that are doing well against Bitcoin within the week, the month. You can see all of this data here, the year. You can see coins that have done well, like Mock, Bonk, Pepe, Omo, Tau, Floki, all these. These are coins that have strength against Bitcoin. Okay, so when Bitcoin is pumping, you can look at this coin you see here. I can even go to the top, the top 200 coins in the space. You can still see the ones have done well against Bitcoin, and go to the top 300. You can see the same thing. Trump coin up 9,000%, and most of these coins I've been talking about them for a long time. Okay, that's why I say anyone who is in my community and you don't make money, I don't know why you don't make money. If you are part of my community, I don't know why. Honestly, I don't know why. Either you are someone who is greedy, yeah, or you think you know everything. Maybe you cannot learn from the beton. So maybe that's the reason why you lose money. But those of you who follow my community, you are part of my community, you follow my channel, then you make money. All right. So let's get to this chart here, this Bitcoin chart. This is very important. Bitcoin is heading towards, right now as we speak, is going towards um $69,000. Now, where do we expect Bitcoin to go, and where do we expect pullback? If Bitcoin is going to break this zone, this area here, I've talk about this multiple times. I even marked it the other time. This zone, if this daily candle or any daily candle is going to close above, like do something like this, close above, then it might take Bitcoin right up to 70,000 or $72,000, right? We might see some sort of pullback, and if that pullback is able to come back and retest this zone, it might come back like around $66,000. It's okay. It can come all right down to $64,000. It's still okay if Bitcoin does something like that, come down and retest that zone. If that's the case, we're gonna see more altcoins pump to the upside. Okay, and what I mean by more altcoins, I mean the altcoins that we talk about here, and any other altcoins that you have studied that moves alongside Bitcoin. It's very important you like study coins that move alongside Bitcoin. That's why website like this helps you to understand which coin moves alongside Bitcoin. You know, so now let's dive into the 4 hour time frame. Looking at this, what do you see, guys? We see the vector candles. Okay, a vector has been printed here. We have seen another vector here, another one here, another one here. Let me mark all of the vectors, so you understand what am I saying next. So these are the vectors that have been printed here. And whenever you see price going to the upside and you see vector candles here, it means that the market makers are pushing price to the upside. At the same time, they are building shorts. They are preparing to move price back to the downside because they move this like they use a lot of liquidity to move this market. That's why you see the candles in green like that. And when they lose money, they are feeling orders that are on top. So what they are doing actually, they are feeling sell orders. People who have placed sell orders on top. So they are going there now to fill those sell orders. Okay, and when they fill those sell orders, they are going to come back, bring price back down to recover all of this money that they lose here while pushing price to the upside. And at the same time, when they are pushing price to the downside, they are going to form something like this, these red vectors here, you see? And after that, they're going to recover all of this vector as well. So if you understand the vector candles and other tools that I use here to trade, my friends, you can always predict the market. Not always, most of the times, you're going to predict the market right. Okay, you're going to look at the market and look at the chart and say, okay, I think price might go this way or price might go that way. That's how traders do, or that's what they do. That's how they go about, trading, making right decisions, because they have tools that it helps them. When structure is breaking, they want to see where price is going. Like in this case, this chart is not sustainable on this higher time frame. Okay, now we can see Bitcoin go right up to make higher highs, but because this chart is just moving straight up like that. Whoa, that is concerning. That's why you see most altcoins are not following Bitcoin. This pump is a Bitcoin pump. This is a Bitcoin movement, and the altcoins are gonna come back. Are gonna come afterward. They're gonna follow Bitcoin afterward. And when are they gonna follow Bitcoin? When Bitcoin is going to retrace, or like do something like this, then that's when you're gonna see altcoins join Bitcoin to pump to the upside. And this might cause the altcoin season to get started. And when altcoins are on fire, then it means that Bitcoin is going to be on fire also. Now, there is this chart that I want you guys to see. I don't talk about this a lot. This is Ethereum. Ethereum is going to be on fire soon. Now, look at the gains that Ethereum can give you. I'm looking at Ethereum now on a daily time frame, right? After the huge pump for Ethereum, look at this pump. Now price retrace back to this area that I marked long time ago. So when price retrace, what do you expect price to do next? Price is going to go and attempt to go make higher highs, right? If price attempt to go make higher highs, look at the gains here. We are now in this structure for Ethereum. If Ethereum break this structure, go up, come down. Maybe that's when you can buy, or you can start DCA Ethereum right now. The gains for Ethereum is more than Bitcoin, right? If Ethereum is going to move, then it means the entire altcoin market is going to move. If Solana is going to move, then most Solana projects are going to move. So we need to see Ethereum, Solana, and top cryptos like BNB as well move. Because if these coins move, those altcoins in those the altcoins in those ecosystems are going to move as well at the same time. So this is how the market works. The market makers look at projects that have high liquidity. They focus on those projects to make more money. Now they go to lower caps, because those lower caps is highly volatile. Most whales even go there. Most whales are the ones that provide liquidity in those to those low cap. Now, when they pump the price, that's why you see when you see or like you can see a meme coin or an altcoin pump a day like 40%. You hardly see Bitcoin pump 40% in a day. If Bitcoin did not pump like altcoins, you know how much Bitcoin will be, the price of Bitcoin. So Ethereum, Bitcoin, they move because they move gradually because they have a lot of liquidity. It's very difficult to move the market like that. You need a lot of money to move the market. And when you see candles, vectors like this, it means that the market makers, they are on board. They are preparing to push this price to the upside. So I had to show you guys Ethereum so that you see what might happen. Like if say you are in any coin like a Bitcoin, maybe you can favor Ethereum more. Now, like Bitcoin has already given you the gains. Look at Ethereum now; it's still cheap. It can go right up to $4,000. Okay, let's get to Bitcoin dominance. Okay, I don't think there's much to talk about here for this dominance. It's still the same play. This is where I think we're gonna start seeing altcoins pumping this zone. Let me mark it properly. So we see this is the zone. I think when price get there, we're gonna expect some sort of pullback from dominance on the weekly time frame. We still have long way to go. Long way to go. Yeah. And if we look at most altcoins on the weekly time frame, it's still the same. They haven't yet pick up. It still has to pick up. Now, let's get into Baby Doge coin. You know, Baby Dogecoin. Okay, now guys, you see, if say we would have been in this trade, we would have been kicked out already, right? You see, look at this, would have made this profit and kicked out already. So that's why even if I would have put my stop loss here, we would have we would have been kicked out already. Okay, but now look at this zone here, right? If I would have been taking this trade, I would have cashed out profit already here. Even though I sold, like, of course I took the trade anyways, but I sold already. I took out my profit here because I saw multiple rejection. But if you would have been still in the trade, you'd have like been wiped out here already. Because look at this stopping volume candle. Now, when you see a stopping volume candle like this on the higher time frame for Baby Dogecoin, okay, like this, it means that they want to go and favor lower lows. Okay? Because this movement here wasn't able to go and make higher highs. Because it wasn't able to go and make higher highs, then The next movement is going to recover all of these vectors. Remember what I told you about vector candles? When you see vectors like this to the upside, it means they are preparing to bring back price, at least recover all of these vector candles. So we can rightly say that they can push Baby Doge coin price right down here. Now, for us to say that we are still in an uptrend, like I want to look at this trend as the new trend for Baby Dogecoin. If we say we are back in an uptrend, then whatever price is gonna do here, I don't want price to come and make lower lows here. If price break this zone here, then know that we are actually going to recover most of these candles here down. So price is gonna go even downward towards where we have this point of control or the golden pocket. Okay, so this area, yeah, price might go there. Let me clean this chart. It's so dirty right now. So it's easy, guys. We are in an uptrend. Those of you who actually are still in the Baby Doge coin trade, now you have more opportunities, right, to actually take your profit. Or those of you who are swing trading this bad boy, also, you still have opportunity to cash out profit right now. But now, if say you took this trade here, this buy here, then you should be looking at the cashing out profit already. Now, let me see if say I can bring in the alpha trend. Let's see. Okay, the alpha trend pointed a buy signal. Wow, which is good. Okay, but the buy signal didn't take price to go and make higher highs. So let's see if say price is gonna kick, like, invalidate this move as I mentioned, because even though price is like this, we can still see price move sideways. Price must not come and make lower lows. Price can still move sideways. Come down, recover this vector, then move sideways, then go to the upside. Okay, so we can see price do something like that. But the end point is this is gonna be the zone where we think, like, the zone where we decide, or price is gonna decide where price want to move to. So this is the zone. If price break either of this zone to the upside, then and make higher highs, close above on this 4 hours time frame, or close below on this 4 hours time frame, then it means that price is gonna favor the trend that price is gonna break structure to. If it is up, then it's gonna be mean uptrend. But I don't want to see price just break up like this or go up like this straight away like that. No, I want to see price consolidate, like move sideways, attempt, then fail, come back there, attempt, fail, come back there, attempt, fail, come back there, then move to the upside. I want to see prices do something like this. In that case, I would say that they have built huge trading volume, yeah, both buy and sell. That is going to be difficult for price to come and break back to go and make lower lows. So it's going to be difficult for them to do that, and we might favor more upside for Baby Doge coin. So this is what I'm looking at for this bad boy, this baby. Those of you who are watching, make sure you like, you share, comment below what coins you are holding. I can see you, Chinyere Okoye. I can see you guys. I'm gonna respond to your questions. I'm gonna come to you in the end of the show, so we can have a conversation on what is going on. But make sure you share, you retweet. Let's reach out to more people. Now let's get to refinance. Reef. I know most of you are holding Reef, but now this is a cash for Reef. I think I have a different chart that I drew already. Anyways, let me stick on this chart because this is my trading chart for Reef. Now, you can see clearly. Excuse. Reform this vector here, and now price have recovered at least half of this vector on the 1 hour time frame, and price printed a buy signal here on the daily time frame. So I would say that if say we see multiple rejection from here, like price move sideways, and the alpha trend print is a sell signal, then price is not able to go and make lower lows from here on the 1 hour time frame for Reef, like something like this, then the target for Reef is gonna be huge. Let's see the target. Okay. One of my member in my community, took this trade, and I told him to sell. If he did sell, then he should be thanking me right now, because I told him we are going to see pullback. And from the pullback, that's when we want to see the next move to the upside. So let's stick on the 4 hours time frame for Reef. Now, on the 4 hours time frame for Reef, this is what I'm looking at right now. Okay, let me take off this line here. Oh boy, take off this line here so I can get. Okay, now so this is what we are looking at for Reef. Look at this huge move to the upside. Now, when you see a move like this, and price form a vector candle, especially on the 4 hours time frame, right? What price should do is price should not go and make lower lows. And for you to know if say price is still in range, you have to bring in the Fibonacci tool. You pluck it from this area that I consider as the bottom to the top of that move. Now look at the golden pocket. Look at if say price is rejecting from the golden pocket. And in this case, you can see that price is rejecting this golden pocket zone. So if price keep rejecting this zone, then we can say that this is the right place to place the trade, the right time to place a trade. Okay, so you can place the trade here because price has rejected this zone multiple times, and if price keep doing that, then it makes sense. Now, why should price keep doing that? Price must keep doing that, or price should do that because of previous data. Look at here. We saw rejection here, yeah, 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 and yeah. So it means that if this candle is gonna go down, then the last zone that the candle must go down is this area. It must not come down and break this zone. It should remain. Yeah, this candle should either remain where it is, and if say it must go down, then it should end here. So you can already, if you want to take risk, you can already buy because usually they say buy when you see vector candles. In this case, we saw that this huge vector to the downside. And this could be a move that we want to take price to the upside because price went to the upside, but the only problem with price is that price didn't create higher highs, okay, on the 4 hours time frame. If this candle would have crossed this, like this is what I'm looking at right now. So this was the previous high. Yeah. Now, price didn't go and make higher highs from this high. Price rejected this zone. So if the price is going down here, this zone to this area, then it should hold, as I mentioned. Price must hold this golden pocket or trade and get to this zone here before maybe you can buy. But you can start looking for entries now. So let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. Let's see if say we can get a better entry on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay. Now let me take this off. The chart is so dirty. It's so dirty. Okay, but it's good. I'm trying to. All right. So we are now on the 5 minutes time frame. Let me see if I can get the move now. Okay. So looking at the 5 minutes time frame, it's clear that we saw this huge pump to the upside. And I can do the same thing for the 5 minutes time frame. I can still bring my Fibonacci tool, but I don't want to bring it because it's going to give me the same data. But you can see we are on this zone. We are at this zone where I marked the golden pocket. Now, looking at this zone, what do you see? We can see stopping volume candle multiple times. It means that price is rejecting the zone, or price has been rejecting to go to the downside. So from this daily time, from this 5 minute time frame right now, you can already deduce that price is preparing to move back to the upside, and this is a target where the alpha trend printed a sell signal. So you can either place a trade here, like do some. This could be the trade. Let's see. Um, let me mark this properly long. So you could take the trade like now if you want to. So, you see we are seeing breakout and have your stop loss here just below this stopping volume candle, like this candle. Then take your take profit. Your take profit to this zone. That's gonna be around 3.99 reward ratio. Yeah, almost 5% gain. That's gonna be awesome. No, 49%, I think. So this is what you are risking. This amount here, so you can place a trade already if you want, but maybe you can wait for the alpha trend to print a buy signal on the 5 minutes time frame, and when price break, price can do this break, then come back, then that's when you're buying. So you can wait for that to happen, or you can still buy now and take the risk. So This is what I'm looking for refinance on the macro, micro perspective. Okay, if say you are holding Reef, comment below that you are holding Reef. So let me let me shout out to you. Are you holding Rift Finance? Um, let me check if say I got some other coin here. Actually, I had to do some coins. I think let me see. Let me look at my. Let me look at my. I think I was to talk about Casper, Boomer, Tubo. So let's go to Book of Memes quickly. Let's check Book of Memes quickly. Let me see. Mm. But guys, if you have any other coin, you can comment below. I've done most of the analysis that I wanted to do already, and I want to believe you have learned something. If you haven't learned something, do post your question. Oh, DJN is doing so well today. Let's see, Boomer. You know, Book of Memes. This bad boy pumped, and I missed the pump. I don't know why I missed this pump. I've been watching this bad boy for a long time now. But now you can see I've zoomed this now for Boomer, and Boomer has been respecting my structure. Okay, I drew this long time ago, and I said to myself that if say we're gonna see a pullback from here, then that's gonna be the level where we're gonna see retracement back from that pullback. Now I missed this move because I didn't, come back to check it. Let's see if I have to buy now. Yeah, I missed it already because price already came right down on the golden pocket. Because if I go to the 4 hours time frame, you can see, yeah, price came towards this area, yeah. So I would have buy back here, but I missed out on this one. Okay, there are so many of these coins, so I'm not gonna kill myself with this one. I can wait for more opportunities for booming. But now, looking at this area now, you can see price is around this area, this golden pocket zone, this pullback zone. And it's a critical zone because we see price get there and we saw multiple rejection from there, and price didn't go and make lower lows. At least price stayed in range, in this range here. Let me mark the range properly so you can see price stayed in this range. This is a good range that price stayed in. So provided price is above this range, this zone here, we are still in an uptrend for Boomer. Okay, so those of you who are buying Boomer, make sure you look at it that way. Now let me do this again. Let me bring in the fib tool. Let me mark this with you guys so we analyze it properly to get together. So let's stay on the weekly time frame for Boomer. Now, this is the weekly chart for Boomer. Okay, this coin was let's stay on the daily time frame so I get more momentum. So this coin pumped to the upside and it retraced back. Now, for me to get the zone where price might retrace to, I have to bring in my fib tool from the top here to the bottom. Let's say the bottom here where we saw this retracement. Now, this should be the target here. This zone here, the 0.01 price point for Boomer. It makes sense. Why? Because this is the next zone that price rejected after we saw this move to the downside. Price rejected this zone, then started moving back to the upside. So what we want to see again, like if say you have to if you miss a trade, but by the way, guys, if say you are a swing trader, it's okay, you can buy Boomer now. But if you are a trader, you're a day trader, it's not okay because you could be wiped out right now. So you can apply my DCA strategy to like buy this coin. So let's say for example you have like say $1,000 and you want to buy Boomer, you can buy it first for about $200. Then you wait for pullback, you buy again for about 100. You keep DCA as price keep going down, and if say price is going to the upside, you take profit from the amount you bought first. You don't buy again, and you look at structure. Like for example, if you buy now and you want to buy again, if say price is going to do something like this, go up. This is going to be the first target. You might wait for pullback a little bit here again. Then you buy more. If the pullback hold, you buy more. You can cash out profit again. Yeah, you wait for pullback, then you buy more. If the pullback holds, then you can buy again. You know, um, like take profit, buy again, take profit, then and so on and so forth. So this is how the market move, and after that we can start seeing the market going downward, back, downward, downward, downward again. So that's just how the market move. If you look at most charts, this is what you're going to see, you know. And the next coin I want us to look right now is Tubo. Do I have Tubo here? Tubo is, where is Tubo? I think it's Tubo on the Ethereum blockchain. Let me see if I can get Tubo. Right now, let's see Tubo. This coin is, it's a good coin. I've been looking at it recently, and it has been pumping. Let me just search for Tubo. Yeah, let me not waste time and go start looking at. So let's see. Oh boy, look at the pump on the weekly time frame. This coin has been steadily pumping. Look at this since it was launched on Binance. Now let's go to the daily time frame. Still, guys, you know this is not a good move. It's not a good move. Okay, this is fake move. Okay, if you catch the move here, then good. This is fake move. They are pumping the price. They're gonna bring it back down. Yeah, mark my words. They will bring it back down. So if you keep going to the upside, it will come back there. Upside, come back there. That's where they're gonna bring it. So if we're gonna see some sort of huge downward trend for Bitcoin, let's say Bitcoin pump, because Bitcoin has been moving so hard to the upside. Let's say Bitcoin is to dump, right? Bitcoin is to dump, let's say from $71,000 to $60,000 or $64,000. This bad boy can fly down as well. So when you see move like this, again, bring in the Fibonacci tool, pluck it from where the move started to the top, and you're going to get zones where price might reject from. Now, all of these zones that you are seeing on this screen, price is going to reject from. Now, price get to the first zone. What did you see? Rejection. If say price is not able to go and make higher highs from here, right? Then price might do something like that, fail, come down to the second zone, go fail, come down to this golden pocket, go fail, come back down here, and from there we can see the next trend going back to the upside. So this is how the market moves. Okay, and if it happens like that, doesn't mean that the project is bad. It means that those who, you can see vectors here, they are going to cash out profit. The market makers, the whales, they will cash out profit. So you have to protect yourself in advance. So let me come to you guys now and get some questions. Let's begin with this. I can see you all. Let's see. How are you all doing today? Reef. Hopefully you got the stuff from Reef about Reef. So let's see. I can see you. Abin Bola. I can see you. Thanks for updating us always. You're welcome. Okay, I already answered that question. Reef, you're welcome. But Bashar. Thumbs up, Penrilla. Can see you. I've been Bola again. Thanks. Can see all of you guys. Oluwa Toshin. Hi, Oluwa. Good evening. Hope you are doing so well. Chinyere, you're welcome. What did you think about Mock? Oh, Mock is a boss. I don't know why I didn't have. I don't know why I've sidelined Mock for some time now. Mock is a boss. It's a boss. It's one of the boss on the based blockchain. Let's even do Mock a little bit. Let's see what is going on with Mock. Mock is one of my top coins, honestly. Even though I haven't talked about it for some time now, but it's one of my top coins. Let's go on the base blockchain. Let's see what Mock is doing today. The reason why I don't focus on Mock anymore is because I see that Mock has already done so well. Now I'm looking at Degen more and Brett. In fact, Brett is a top coin in the base ecosystem. Second by Mock, then we have Degen. But I think Mock is still at a low market cap. That's 16 million. But the liquidity is so low, 1.4 million. That's the problem with these coins. Okay. So let me get to the price of Mock. Let's see the liquidity. Yeah, the market cap. Yeah. How far did it go? Right up to 900 million. So it might go to 1 billion right now. But on this platform on base is showing that it is 60 million cap on base. I think maybe the 800 million market cap is combined from all other blockchain, like all other platforms. So maybe only on base, not on base blockchain that we are having this 60 million liquidity. Maybe on other platforms like, let's say, Solana or Ethereum, maybe they can have other market cap there, that liquidity there. So I think maybe that's the case. Okay, but look at this move here for for mock coin. Okay, so I expect rejection from here, and it did happen. And I'm gonna expect another one from here, and it's gonna happen. Now, what should I do if say price get to this zone? Okay, the same thing. I'm not gonna mark my Fibonacci 2 from here to this, let's say to this area, yeah, and I'm gonna wait for price to get to the golden pocket, yeah. So whatever the case is, I want to wait for price to get here. If price is not able to get here, then I'm not gonna buy this coin. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for more coin. It's simple. You can see, just within 5 minutes, within seconds, just mark zones here and boom, this is another zone here. And yeah, they can either push price here. You can also start from here, do your analysis from here. You can mark it from here to get quick entry. If you are trading this, you can get quick entry here. You can see, so it just mark at this zone. Wow, this is where we have um the next golden pocket. So they can bring price there as well. You know, simple as that. Simple as that. You know, so that's that for mock. Let's see if say we got some other questions here. Go baby, go baby dog. Very soon, flashing. Yeah, Fidelis car, good job, mentor. Thanks so much. Oluwatoshin says, can someone start buying coins now for Bull or we should wait for BTC to fall to 49K? Well, just follow my analysis. If you follow my analysis, then you're gonna get the right entry at the right time. I've already shared some charts here that I think price might respect. If price respect those chart, they will like respect our analysis. Then that's when we can start buying those altcoins. But if you are already in some altcoins, it's still fine. When price get to those zones, you can either buy more or take out profits. So that's what you should do. Or you can see Fidelis Car says, I took out profit as you said, mentor. Wow, that's awesome. It's great you took out profits. Or let's see how could you check waffles on Solana. Mm, waffles on Solana. I'm gonna check that. Let's see. First of all, Wood Monkey, you are the man. Yeah, you are the man. Also, Wood Monkey. Now you talk about the waffle. Let's see waffles. I don't know about this coin. Let me see if I can find it first on Coin Market Cap. Let's see waffles. Is it Waffles Da Vinci? Is this one? Is Waffles Da Vinci? If this is the one, then let me see if I can pull in the contract address. They have a cap of 12 million, not bad. Volume is almost half a million. So let me pull this here on this chart so we can see that's the contract address. So waffles. It's like food. Okay. Yeah, this chart looks good. Now, I think this is one of those coins I have to buy. I think I'm gonna buy this coin. I just look at it right now and I say to myself, I wanna buy it. Let me explain to you guys why I'm gonna buy this coin. Okay. The coin now is, let's see if say, or let me see the rank of this coin in the crypto space. Let's go to crypto bubbles. So let's just see waffles. The month is down 11%, the week is down 9%, the day 4%. So let me see. Let me go back to price action here. All right, guys. The reason why I mentioned that I'm gonna buy this coin is because of this stopping hold on candle, and we can see that Bitcoin is bullish. By the way, as I speak to you guys, let me just buy the coin. I don't know why. Let me bring in my wallet and just buy this coin. Immediately. But I think it's about to pump, right? Remember what I told you guys. When you see, like, yeah, we saw rejection here. You see, these candles are called stopping volume candles. They don't want to push price to the downside, but they want to push it to the upside. Okay, and this could be huge pump to the upside. Not really huge. I think if say we're gonna see this pump, let me look at the target quickly. Let's see. Mm, shut down, Siri. Shut down. Siri, shut down. Sorry, guys. Siri is trying to talk with me. I'm live and Siri is telling me good afternoon. Imagine, as if I'm talking to Siri. So, guys, sorry for the outside. Siri is just disturbing me now. So this is a pump. Um, wow, that's gonna be about 48%, almost 50% pump to the upside. So this is the target that I'm looking at right now. If say I buy this coin, this is where I'm gonna take out profit. I don't want to buy now because I think maybe my wallet is so if I try to buy with my wallet right now, you guys might see my seed phrase. So and I don't want to pause the stream, before doing the buy. But hopefully I'm gonna see a pump here before I buy. Now let's see this on the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's going on there. Yeah, you can see on the 1 hour time frame is making my it's making my point. Even on the 4 hours time frame, it's still making my point. You see, this bad boy is trying to break to either direction. You can see, yeah, yeah, and this happens because of low liquidity. Okay, but I think that this coin might pump. Now let's look at. I think it's a meme coin. So let's look at where you guys can buy this coin. Let's see. My laptop I just freeze. I don't know. That's the case. Okay, no, not freeze. So you can buy this on Radium. That's from Solana. Phantom Wallet, Jupiter, Mexi Global, Bing. Okay, it's not even on most major exchanges yet. But I love the price action. I love what I'm seeing. This is one of those meme coins that I think it's a meme coin. Let me see. It's a meme coin. Is it Da Vinci Jeremy's coin? I don't know. Let me know if say this coin is Da Vinci's coin. Hmm. Please tell me the secret how to stay so optimistic all the time. The secret is education. When most of you actually join cryptocurrency, the mistakes that you make is not like, let me not say most of you, all of us, who at one time we think that we know it, or we don't want to pay someone to teach us, someone who have gotten experience. You have $100, you just go straight and buy, but you would have taken, let's say, about $20. For example, I have this let me show you guys something here. Let me bring in my link tree. So for example, I have this let me show you guys my link tree. It's something that I want to share with you guys right now. So for example, I have this is my link tree. I have this buy and sell signal session, and this costs $16. Okay, only $16. Now, with this $16, you can get my buy and sell signal. Whenever I buy any coin, whenever it's like all what I do in terms of swing trade, you get it. Now, most of you come into the space. Let's say you have $100 and someone says pay $10 or this kind of amount. You prefer to go and buy with all the amount that you got. You buy coins that you don't know how it moves, when to take out profit, when not to take out profit, okay, or when to stay away from the market. You go and do that, and at one point you see your profit going to the upside. You see how you're making money, but suddenly you're like, oh, you are back at minus. Like, what is going on? What really happened? And this is exactly what majority investors or traders face. This is their issue. My advice to you to keep to be optimistic is this: learn, study, follow people who understand more than you. Learn from them, learn from their mistakes. And I was able to be more optimistic this way because at one point I told myself that I need to learn. After losing so much money, I need to learn. I need to be able to whenever I get money, I shouldn't just go and buy a coin. I have to pay to learn. Okay, and when you pay to learn, when you pay, you get the right result. Not always. I think there are more bullshit stuff out there, content out there, but me, I'm not just here to tell you get into my group and I pay you, pay me. No, it's more of you be committed with me, and I'm gonna be doing one-on-one with you most of the time, help you with portfolio management. I think I give almost everything I do for free for those of you who actually know. And when you understand the market, you understand, who are the players in the market dynamics, some fundamentals, what moves the market, Bitcoin, Ethereum. You understand all of this stuff, the bigger picture. Then you are going to be optimistic always. When you look at your chart, you're going to know that, okay, this is what's going to happen, or this is what might happen. You're going to be convinced looking at previous data. So at times I want to see you guys learn more than just go and buy. Okay, buying is okay. There are so many coins out there you can buy anytime, but the knowledge, once you have the knowledge inside here, no one can take it from you. You have that knowledge and it's going to help you. Like, for example, this show, I've done so much strategies here. Like, I've shared with you guys so much education in this show, but most of you are gonna be looking only the price. Oh, baby, Dogecoin is gonna pump, Reef will pump, Mock will pump. No, you don't look at the education. And at one point, you're like, oh, you're losing money. But look at the education, look at the structure, look at the zones I'm saying to you. Buy here, sell here, take out profit here. Don't buy here. Don't do this here. Like one of my members, like one member in my free Telegram group today, told me that he made some money from refinances, that it is pumping. I said no, it's not pumping. He thinks it was pumping because he was looking at it on the lower time frame, last 5 minutes time frame. And I told him no, it's not pumping. It's just normal reaction in the market when you see a dip, and if say, maybe I don't know if say he did take out profit. I told him to take out profit because it's gonna dump back. And great finance have dumped back. Does it mean that I'm a genius? No. It's just because I have studied the market trend, market price action, and I know when a trend is a right trend and when a trend is a fake trend. And with time, that trend is going to get back to the zones that I want it to get to. That's how the market moves. These guys are whales. This is a business. They are out there to make money from you and I. It's player versus player. When you lose money, someone is making money, and when they lose money, someone else is making money. That's why when you look at the market makers, when they print those green vector candles, they are printing it because they know that they're gonna come back to get all of the gains that the gains that they lose, the money they lose, they're gonna make it back. So this is something I think you should learn. If say you want to be more optimistic, I support the project. Say please tell me secret how to. Let's see what he's saying. He support the project. I, I I don't support anything. I am focused on price action. What can make me money is what I focus on. You will not see me go. I think I've done only one refi. I think some few. I just done some fundamentals on refinance, but I'm focusing on the chart. If this chart that I want to show you right now, this is a chart of refinance. Let's go back on the chart of refinance. Okay, so this is ref chart. Now, my focus is on what price is gonna do. I don't care what the team is doing back there. I only care what the team is doing if, say, I am an investor of the project. Because if I'm an investor in the project, it means I'll be putting my money there for the next 5 years. But I am not a reef finance investor. I'm a reef finance trader. I swing trade reef finance. If you understand the difference between an investor, a swing trader, a day trader, then you won't be going through most of these confusions, whether someone is supporting this or that. I have no investment for reef finance. I'm just a trader who trade this bad boy. And as I mentioned to you guys, you have to look at structure. Look at structure before you buy anything. And looking at this structure, yeah, it's but obvious that after this huge dump, there was going to be a pullback somehow. And can this pullback go and recover all of these vectors here? Because when price was pumping to the downside, we saw how these guys printed this vector here. And because they printed this vector here, they might easily go and recover it. And if we look at this on the daily time frame, which we are on the daily time frame, this move I told you guys long time ago. If you follow my videos, go and watch my videos, that this move is fake. They are gonna eat all of this liquidity back, and they did. Exactly. So if I'm someone who understand market price action, and I see something like this, why should I be up here? What am I doing? Do I care about the no? All I care is to make more Bitcoin. And once a project make me more Bitcoin in doing my swing trading, doing my swing trade session, I catch out of the profit and wait for the next opportunity. So this is how I go about doing my stuff. You know, if you guys have more questions, you can post your questions. But if you don't have more questions, maybe we can call this a go for today. But I would love to hang out with you. I can see most of you are watching on X. By the way, if you haven't followed me on X, this is my X. Go and follow me on X. Share stuff there now and then. I wasn't even going to be live today, but I had to be live anyways. Let's see. So this is my X. I'm even live on X right now. So this is a live stream on X at this point in time. I have 23 people watching me on X. Guys, retweet this. Retweet. Let me retweet. At least like the stream. Those of you who are watching on X, like, retweet. So we can get in more folks here. But I just retweet this. But this is my X. Go and check me out on X. I have now 635 followers. Let's get me to 1K followers. I share more stuff on X as well. But I have 23 people watching me on X. I don't know if they have any question. If they post a question, I can watch it. I can see it here. So guys, if you have any question, I had Reef and sold it for Casper. Oh my, life is well. Talking about Casper, let's look at Casper quickly. Let's check Casper. I think I had Casper in my. Let's check Casper quickly. I almost forgot Casper. That's what happens when you have so many coins to analyze. So let's see Casper, CSPR on OKX. Oh, this bad boy is still holding. Now, I did my previous video about Casper and I mentioned some certain stuff here. Okay, let me go back to the yeah. So we saw this move after this huge dump to the upside. We saw this move. At least price attempted, to go up, but price wasn't able to go and make higher highs from here. So price didn't break structure. Now I expect this move to come down here and make lower lows, but this move didn't make lower low. Now what should we expect from this move? If say this move is gonna, at least we're gonna see price start doing something like this, it means that price is gonna attempt to go straight up this way, this zone here, this area here. And if the alpha trend print a buy signal here on the daily time frame, then this is the target where we have a sell signal, this zone here. So this is how you look at, and all of these indicators are free, guys. The alpha trend is free. This other indicator is the Beton moving average. This is my indicator I created, and if you guys want to teach you how I use it, fine. You have to join my community to learn how to do it. If you haven't yet joined, make sure you use the link below to join my community. But by the way, talking about community, If say you want my buy and sell signal, you want to get what I'm buying, what I'm selling, then join. Use the link below my um my link tree. Go to this section that says join my VIP group to get access to my buy, sell, and take profit signal. Before I was active, I had a group that I was doing it, but I had to stop that group because most people who were in the group paid me through USDT, and after they paid me, they got value. They didn't want to pay again. So I had to dissolve the group. That's why I had to come up with this other method that if say you pay me, you pay to join this group, you're gonna automatically join the group by like clicking join, and when you pay, like if you don't pay, the group will kick you out automatically. So that's what happens. I don't want to have to go and start asking people pay. No, if you want to get my buy and sell signal, then you join. If you cannot pay, then fine, it's just $16. Okay, and you can use $16 and make more money. If say you are making money and you cannot pay it, then that's bad. But if say you make money, then it's gonna be easy, right? Simple as that. Anyways, I also have portfolio management. Like those of you who want to get portfolio management, this is the link for that. Now, let's get back to this bad boy. So, as of now, for Casper, it's still bullish, guys. Trust me. If actually we see a U-turn for Casper, then this might be a huge move, might be a big move, because the profit up to the upside is going to be huge. Let's see how many percent profit we're going to make if say this goes to the upside from where price is right now. That's like 1x. The first move to the upside is going to give you 1x. So you can either bear the risk right now. I think something will happen that will turn around this project. Something will happen that will turn around price. So until then, maybe we can just keep praying. Now, let's say for example you bought Casper, okay, right now on the daily time frame, and price is gonna do something like this. You know, don't sell. Wait a little bit. Sell when price gets back there. Doing pullback, cash out the profit or the loss that you're gonna incur. So, but if say price go the other way around, you can still buy back. But I think if price is gonna go the other way around, this is gonna be a huge move to the upside, like quick to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at for CSPRO Casper. Um, I can see you joining. New people are joining. Let me know where you are watching from, guys. Comment below where you are watching from. I can see you guys are liking the stream. Let's see. I want to stay more with you guys. Let's just keep doing analysis. Let's look at Baby Doge Coin, what it's doing right now. Oh, I'm loving this stream today. I just want to hang out with you guys today. Let's see on the lower time frame. Let's see what the baby is doing. Okay, maybe we can just stay on Baby Dogecoin chat. If you guys have any other chat you want me to look at right now, I can look at it. But we can just stay on this chat on the. Let's just stay on this on the 15 minutes time frame, or let's go to the lower time frame, like the 5 minutes time frame, to see what's going on there. Mm. I really want to hang out with you guys. Keep sharing. I can see more people are joining us live. More of you have liked the stream. You guys are awesome. I appreciate you all. I can see some few people watching on Facebook, on X. Retweet this on X. If you are watching me right now, you can go to X. You can pause the YouTube and go to X. Just retweet on X. Follow me on X. This is my X platform. Now, there's something I want you guys to learn right now. Now, and those of you who are live with me are gonna benefit from this alpha idea or stuff I want to teach you. So let's just allow the chat to be showing why I split you guys what I want to say. What I'm going to say to you right now is something not every YouTuber or everyone in this space is going to tell you. And this is the truth. The only truth that anyone who loves you is going to tell you. And I want you, if possible, to write down this or to record this or have a pen and paper that you're going to use to record everything I'm going to say right now. And if you understand this, what I want to say to you right now, if you get it, then your entire crypto journey Like today, tomorrow, it's gonna be so perfect, peaceful. Bitcoin is the market maker, the mover, a mover. Bitcoin moves the market. Now, when you have USDT, you are losing money. But when you, for example, have $100 and you use it buy Bitcoin, regardless of what Bitcoin is doing, then now you go back to look at what altcoins are doing. You look at top altcoins that move alongside Bitcoin. You wouldn't be able to become a millionaire with that amount of money. But what you can do is build that amount to get to 200, 300, 400, 500. You keep one x that amount until you can get right up to like 10,000 or $1,000. There are many people who can tell you their story of taking 100 this amount to this amount. Now, when you want to buy any meme coin or any altcoin, sell at least 20% of your Bitcoin. Buy that altcoin. Now, you are buying that altcoin not because someone told you to buy the altcoin. No, you're buying the altcoin or the meme coin because you understood how the meme coin move in price. Okay, if Bitcoin is moving 10% and that meme coin is moving 40%, it means that when Bitcoin dip and Bitcoin want to like reverse back to the upside, that altcoin is gonna also move more than Bitcoin. That is outperform Bitcoin. And if you come across such meme coin, I just show you guys most of these coins here. You can go to Crypto Bubbles. We are now on the 1 hour time frame. Let's go back to the top 100 coins. You can go here on the bubbles, and from the bubbles alone, you can look at coins. Now, go to cryptobubbles.com, okay? And at the right hand corner, choose BTC as your currency, not USDT. Choose BTC. Now, the reason you're going to choose BTC is because you want to be in coins that outperform Bitcoin. Now, you're having that other amount in Bitcoin because you are protecting it. You are keeping that money. You are saving that money for an opportunity in the future in the market. Because Bitcoin is like US dollars. We have world currency, the US dollars, euros, pounds. They are the strongest currency in the world. Same as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB. These top coins that have the most liquidity, they are the strongest currency in the market. Now, when the market is in a downward trend, those coins can dump like let's say 10% alone. But if they dump 10% alone, all coins in their ecosystems are going to dump more than 10%. Now, you are selling your Bitcoin that has dumped 10% to buy an altcoin that have dumped about 30%. And if that altcoin is going to pump, it might pump about 50%. Now, you have sold 10% or 20% to make 50% or 6% or 1x from that altcoin. Now, when you get to a zone that you think, okay, now we can see pullback, you sell back into Bitcoin. Now you are making more Bitcoin. The idea here is to make more Bitcoin. Why? In the future, we see Bitcoin to get to $1 million, okay, per Bitcoin. Now, if Bitcoin is going to go to $1 million, what do you think your altcoin can get to in terms of like how much you're going to pump? That's gonna be like 40x, 30x. But you need to keep that money whenever they pump. And the only place you can keep that money when they pump is by buying Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is the most liquid, most stable asset that you can keep your profit in. Now, Bitcoin outperformed the US dollar every 4 years or every year or so on and so forth. Now, because you know that Bitcoin, outperform all currency, you have to keep your money in Bitcoin, regardless what you're looking at in terms of the dollar value. Look at the amount of Bitcoin you are making. Don't look at the dollar value of Bitcoin. If you get this, then you won't fall in love with any altcoin out there. You're gonna look at altcoins and like, oh, this is a casino for me to make more Bitcoin. Forget what others are gonna tell you. Those who go and make videos and say "hodo" to the end, they want you to hodo because they want to be dumping on you. They cash out profit, make money, and you are there holding for them. And before you realize, boom, maybe the project is dead. Can you count how many projects that you have invested in long like before and now they are no more? They are dead. So this is a knowledge that I think that if you grab, you are going to be making right decisions every now and then. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. So if say you've learned something from this, give me a thumbs up. At least comment one or two. Comment one if you have learned. Two if say you don't understand anything. But if you learn something, just type one. One. You know, I'm waiting for your one. Pepe, 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 Pepe. So let's see, Pepe. What is going on with Pepe? Pepe. Mm-hmm. On the daily time frame. Okay. You see, Pepe is moving the same way like Bitcoin. Where Bitcoin is the same way where Pepe is. But I drew this, zone long time ago for Pepe. Let me see if say Pepe is gonna respect this zone. Let me see. So this is the zone. Let's see. No, Pepe is now around that zone. So guys, actually I don't chase pump like this. Why would I buy Pepe now? I shouldn't buy Pepe now. I can only buy Bitcoin in this state because I think that if we're gonna see, like, don't get me wrong, Pepe is a good meme coin. It's a good meme coin, but I think Baby Doge coin is better than Pepe. I think so. I think this is just hype. What you're seeing here is the same what I'm trying to explain to you guys. Okay, most of the big whales they make their money from here. You know, they have huge amount of money. For example, let's say they were buying here and they pump the price to the upside. Now, for them to bring price down here is simple. They can bring it, but now they can make people to commit that okay, they want to pump the price to the upside. They can pump the price, no doubt, but in the end, they are gonna dump it back on you. So for you to get more opportunities from any meme coin, you have to look at meme coins that haven't yet like have low cap, but they have good narrative, they have good community, like maybe Dogecoin, and we have more coin also. Bread is also another coin. I did analysis on bread, you know. So also let's mock. Yeah, I talk about mock. Boomer, Miro. These are all coins that you can take advantage of. Right? They still have low cap, low supply, all of this stuff. But this bad boy has already pumped, you know. But again, if say we want to look at short term price action, we can just bring in our volume profile here from this zone here to this area here. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, so we are now around the value area high, this zone here. Yeah, around this area, this is the value area high. So if price is not able to break above here, then maybe price can come back down. Yeah, maybe it can break and come and recover all of these vectors here because there's still huge liquidity here for oh boy, but they recover this liquidity already. Yeah, you see this candle. Yeah, so they bought price already before there. Okay, okay, that's awesome. At least they bought price here. Maybe they might not bring price again, yeah. Okay. But I think that yeah, it's not still sustainable. There's a lot of liquidity here. This straight movement to the upside is scary. I can only buy Bitcoin, not Pepe. Like if I see Bitcoin like that, I can buy Bitcoin, not Pepe. So let's see short term if you want to trade this. If you want to trade this, let's look at the 1 hour time frame first. Let's see. Okay, the alpha trend has printed a buy signal here. So let's see if say this move on the 1 hour time frame is gonna form higher highs. Because we have multiple rejection here. If you go and form higher highs, then I think the target is gonna be where the alpha trend printed this sell signal here. This sell signal, this zone here. You know. So that is gonna be take profit zone if say you want to trade this coin. But I'm not gonna be able to say buy now because it's already at this point where this other zone here where the alpha trend pointed a sell signal. Or I said buy if say price was still here, then you cash out profit here. You can see rejection. You can see multiple rejection here for Pepe. You know, so yeah, that's what I'm looking at for Pepe. You know, excuse. I have cold. So only two of you got it. The rest didn't get it. I can see only two people have said have type one. I can see seven of you watching. At least 30 or 31 people 31 people are watching now live, and only two people got it. So I explained everything and none of you understood anything. Oh boy. You know, if you did understood what I mentioned, type one. Type one at least. Oh, I have been live here for a long time now. So I really appreciate you guys sticking with me. But I think we have done our analysis for today. Let me see if say Baby Doge coin is still there. Refinance. Let's see if it has reversed. Let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay. Let's see. Oh, that's a but not a good chart. Let's get to. Let me see. Don't know why. Let me leave this and go to a different chart so I can do Reef here. Okay. So let's look at it on a 1 hour time frame. Oh, this is Reef. Okay. The alpha channel created a buy signal, you know. So yeah, if price is able to hold this zone here, then look at the target, guys. Oh boy, I think I have to cash this trade. After this live stream, I have to cash this Reef trade. Trust me, the gains is too much. Look at the upside. Let me see how many percentage that's gonna be. Oh, how many percent to the upside? Let's see. Oh boy. Oh boy. That's gonna be about 342%. So I'm gonna try as hard as possible to catch this movement. That's why if say you are part of my group, you're gonna get when I catch the movement. You know, if you wanna join you wanna trade with me, go to my link tree, join my VIP group, you know, or join my Bitcoin group. I'm gonna share this trade here, but you have to be part of my Bitcoin community. So you must use this link here to join Bitcoin. You click on that to join Bitcoin, and when you once you register, you know, then we can start trading immediately. So I think that's what I'm looking at for that. I love saying this is what I'm looking at. Yeah. So Reef. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at, Reef as well. You see? Yeah. So you can see price has come right down here, which is good zone. I think I should even like let me see if I can place a trade already. I think I can place a trade already for this. Yeah. I'm gonna buy this now on OKX. I'm gonna trade this on OKX right now. Let me do this on my phone. Let me see. This is gonna be the target. Nope. Um, take out profits, cash, stop loss right down here. Then take profit, right up here. Wow. But if say you are buying here, this zone should be your first take profit zone. So cash out some profit here, at least first this zone, then you cash out the remaining profit here. And the reason why I'm saying this is because here we have um volume here. So this could we could get rejection from this zone here. So pay attention to this area. But after this zone, this is gonna be the next area for Reef. So this is what I'm looking at for Reef. Yeah, this is gonna it's like a new way of speaking. This is what I'm looking at. Okay. By the way, if say you are watching and you haven't yet subscribed, do subscribe. If you haven't yet like, do like the content. I can see many of you are watching. 8 of you are watching on YouTube. That's awesome. I can stay here with you as long as you guys want. But again, um, we can call this a go whenever we are tired. I think I should give you guys more 20 minutes or more 10 minutes before we go. Doesn't matter if say I can still go back and talk about Baby Doge coin, any other coin you want me to talk about. I can still go and talk about it. It's okay. But I know most of you are holding Baby Doge coin, refinance, boomer. I think I'm having my lips is a little bit dry, so let me be. mm, my wife always want me to have this. My wife she always want me to have this. Like your lips are always dry. Have this, take this. At times. Oh boy. Mm. You're welcome, Wood Monkey. Wood Monkey. That name is like if say I find you in the forest. Oh, I'm gonna be so happy because you're gonna save me. Wood Monkey. I might eat a lot of bananas. If I walk with you in the forest. You are the Wood Monkey. Thanks for watching. You're, you're welcome. Um. Yeah, guys. If say we don't have more questions, then I'm gonna call it a go for today. But maybe let's just wait until 2 o'clock. Yeah, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock my time. I'm in the States, so it's still afternoon. Yeah, I don't know your time. Maybe it's night where you are, but yeah, it's still afternoon. Okay. What else should I teach you guys today? Oh, there's one chat I almost forgot. Oh boy. Thank God I didn't forget this chat. This is the liquidation heat map. Let's see. Um okay, I already talked about this, but oh boy, guys, as it stands, we can see these guys push price right up to $70,000. Okay? Yeah, looking at this heat map. And they can as well push price right down to $65,000. So this is what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. But if say they push price right up to 70K, it's not good. I won't love it. Trust me, I won't love it. I want to see price come at least retrace back to 6 before the next trend to the upside. And because if price is gonna do this, then it's gonna mean maybe more upside for altcoins. But at the same time, if we look at let me look at this chart here. Total total tree. Let's see what this bad boy is doing. Okay, so this chart is still in range after this pullback, after break of structural pullback into this area, and it make I think to an extent higher high. These are all um, cryptocurrencies, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So looking at this on the daily time frame, you can see the alpha trend created a sell signal here. So we can see total tree go right up to 70 to 700 billion. Yeah, 700 billion for all coins excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. You know, and that's what I'm looking at for that on this chart, based on this chart. And if say we look at total two, these are all cryptocurrencies excluding Bitcoin. That means this includes Ethereum. We can see here we have buy signal here on the daily time frame. So the first target is going to be where the alpha trend printed this zone, this sell signal, yeah. Second target, yeah, before it goes and make higher high. So we can see this all coin market go right up to 1 trillion. From 1 trillion, you can go right up to 1.225 trillion, and even 3 trillion or 2 trillion. It can go right up to that zone. And if this is the case, then our altcoins are gonna pump. That's the essence of this chart, is to show you what price might do. And this includes high cap and low caps. Okay. Now, looking at um the Dixie, not Dixie, sorry, USDT dominance. This also is a good chart. Oh boy, you see, I haven't seen this chart for some time now, and look at what I mark here. I said if say we saw if say we see USDT dominance go to the upside and break the zone, then it means that we're gonna see more dump for Bitcoin, but and other altcoin. But if we see USDT dominance break this zone and go right down, then we can see more pump in the crypto market. Bitcoin is gonna keep pumping. Now, because of this zone here where price is, you can see price has been respecting this zone. I mean, in terms of how this move, this chart, it means that we might expect market USDT dominance to start moving back to the upside, right? Like start going back to the upside. And this will mean Bitcoin price is gonna dump. And it can dump right up to the next trend line up. Then bring it back down, up, down until it break one direction. It break to one direction. Either down here or up here. So this is crucial. If like there are so many stuff that I can show you guys here, but I don't want to confuse you all. Like now, if say Bitcoin is not able to break, sorry, if say you dominance for USDT is not able to break below here, then maybe we can see next move to the upside. Now let me explain to you guys what this is. When you see dominance going down, it means that money is leaving USDT into cryptocurrency or somewhere else. But if you see dominance increasing in value, it means that money is getting back into USDT. So investors are selling their asset, favoring back USDT. Okay, so that's just the the idea of this chart that you're seeing. Yeah. Hi, Govindaraj. That should be an Indian name. You are welcome, Govindaraj. Okay, guys, I think this is it for today. Sorry, Govindaraj, you are late. We have talked about so many things here. I think this is gonna be one of my best streams. Because I have lots of information here, and I think anyone who is gonna watch this stream afterwards is not gonna regret it. So yeah, you guys will not regret it. So you can share it with your friends, family, loved ones, hate ones, whosoever you hate. Send it to them. Oh boy. Oh, what next? 2 minutes to go. I want to tell you guys something before I go. Crypto is not all about money. I mean, like to make money in cryptocurrency, it's not all about you having much money. It's all about if say you can multiply the little amount you have. You have $10. If say you can multiply $10 to $20. If you have let's say $40. If say you can take $40 to $80. $100. If you can take like $100 to $200. If you can take $300 to $600, $1,000 to $2,000. If you can do that, then you understand the game. It's all about you buying the coin, hold it for it to make you millionaire. No, it's about understanding the market, how the market moves. If say you are able to multiply your capital, and you multiply your capital not by holding one coin and pray for God to for God to open doors for you, for that coin to fly to the moon. Now, if say you play that game most of the time, you're gonna be losing money, and you're gonna mean that you are like in a casino. I don't want you to be in a casino. Okay, I want you to be real. Buy coins, understand market structure, understand support and resistance, understand when to buy, and all of this I teach on my platform. I have so many videos, so many that I teach this, so many. But if say you don't have time, good and fine. Subscribe to my buy and sell signal. It doesn't cost much because you're gonna be making money anyways. It's cheap. If you look at it, this is it. It's cheap. This is it. It's cheap. But you get my buy and sell signal. What I'm buying, what I'm selling, what I'm taking out profit. And this is more of swing trade. No futures. If you wanna join my futures group, good and fine. Go to my link tree. The links are found below this video. Click on this Bitunics no KYC crypto derivative. Use that derivative to register and deposit at least $100. From there, you can start trading with me. But before then, you can join my free group, so that you let me know at my group that you have registered with my Bitunics link. Then I'm going to add you to the trading group. Okay? So that's what I think, or these are the actions you can take. But if you're someone who understands more, good and fine. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to pay anything. Just follow my analysis, apply what I teach to your chart. It's okay. What in either ways, I want you to win. Okay. Um. Let's see. Was listening from Turks and Caicos Island. Oh boy, yeah. Was listening from Turks and Caicos Island. I don't know. I don't know where that is. Trust me. Maybe I should Google where that is. But that's awesome to hear that you are watching me right away from that, brother. Much love to you. Much love to you, brother. I love you all. Anyways, yeah, it's time to go. Subscribe, share this content, share on Facebook, share it whenever you want to share it. Invite your friends to subscribe to my channel. Let's take my channel to 10,000 subscribers. I want to get to 6,000, 10,000 subscribers. I'm gonna give huge giveaways because you know what I mean. Like wow, I've come a long way, and with you guys, with your help, I want to get to even 1 million subscribers. And it's not, I don't want to go and buy subscribers. No, I want to get real people to subscribe to my platform. Real people who really want to take their investment to the next level. And I'm going to be here for you as long as crypto exists, and crypto is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. All right, guys. Take care. See you. Tomorrow, no. See you on Monday. Probably on Monday, I might not be live. But Monday, I'm traveling, so I might not be live. So let's say next week. But if I have an opportunity, I'm gonna come here or share in my group that I'm gonna be live. So that's why you have to join my group. It's free, my free Telegram group. The link is found below this video again. Go there and get my link to join my free Telegram group. All right, guys. I will said all this good stuff and more. Take care and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry.